त्याची लिस्ट त्यांच्याकडनं
सर, तुम्ही घेतले म्हणजे तुम्ही ट्रान्झॅक्शन करून घेतले काय ऑप्शन करतात?
इट इज वॉज हा पळय न्ही ते डिक्लेअर करता हॉर्स वायली होल्डर्स ओके
एक कळून कित्याक खबर पयलीं डिसिजन असो जाल्लो की तांच्यांनी कन्वर्जन फी जर पे घेतली आसत जाल्यार तांकां तो विकपाक मेळटलो, तर हो तेचे भायलो आनी
हय डम पॉलिसी इज डिफरंट आनी ताच्या भायलो तेंचो ओर वकडून आशिल्लो तो
आतां हो गव्हर्मेंट
हय
आनी गव्हर्मेंट ऑप्शन करता
तो मागीर हो पयलीं आमी लिस्टान हाडटा
इन्व्हेंटरी ना
हय इन्व्हेंटरी हाडटा ओके second is a permission for the 4 posts of the medical officer in the blood bank in the Goa Medical College on the contract basis. Third one is in for the repair renovation of the existing building of the veterinary hospital at Kutti for the new government veterinary college. Proposal for the amendment of the Goa Public Service Commission Regulation 2020 various ह्या संदर्भातले सिनियर रुल्स जे आसा पारार्स जे चेंजीस केले ते जीपीएससी अमेंड करता ताच्या खातीर
This is for junior scale and senior scale.
This was a different post. It starts from the senior assistant. Yeah. तिथून स्टेनोग्राफर आहे ते सगळे पोस्ट आहे त्याच्यापैकी त्या पोस्टार
Age relaxation आहे.
It is not age relaxation. Whereas the RR and the age relaxation. It is not age relaxation. Appointment of the pharmacist on the contract basis under the Employees State Insurance Scheme (ESI). Appointment of the physiotherapist for the 100-bedded ESI hospital in Margao. Proposal for filling of the one post of the lecturer in the Department of the Radiation Oncology on contract basis in Goa Medical College. Proposal of filling of the one post of the assistant professor in the Neuro and Vascular Intervention Radiologist in the Department of the Radio Diagnosis in the contract basis in the Goa Medical College. Proposal of the filling of the two posts of the assistant professor in the Department of the Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery on the contract basis in Goa Medical College. Filling of the three posts of the junior engineer on the contract basis and 2 civil engineer, junior engineer, 2 civil and 1 electrical, sorry, in Directorate of Tribal under the tribal cell. On the contract basis. Setting up of the legal and IT cell in the Goa Housing Board Department, Goa Housing Board Corporation. Thank you.
Same.
महादेवीची अपडेट किती आसा आता?
Meeting जातली. आज meeting आले. Meeting जावली.
सेम जे पोलीस डिपार्टमेंटाक पोलिसांचे जे ट्रान्सफरी आसा ट्रान्सफरी काडून सुद्दां ते ट्रान्सफर जायना 12-10 वर्सां तेच पोलीस स्थानकाचेर आसता तेजेर.
With respect to the intervention dumps situated in the private properties falling outside the lease area, but it is deprecated on the mining plan only on the conversion fees in terms of the policy for regulations of the mining dumps for the government and the private land and related issues and fine contemplated and under the section of 1A section 33 of Goa Land Revenue Code have been paid to the erstwhile leaseholders shall be permitted to remove the dumps within the period of the 5 years from the date of the publication of the present policy, for which the further period may be the notified, and such payments, royalty and compliance is all statutory requirements. Right. मातसो कन्फ्युजन आशिल्लें म्हणून परत ओके
सेम माझ्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर दिवं ना. सेम माझ्या प्रश्नाचे
सगळ्यांचं सांगला डीजीपी करता.
हां
कॅबिनेट वेकन्सी जाल्यार ती भरपाची आसा.
ताजी चिंता मुख्यमंत्री करता प्रेसवाले
सेम जीएमसी जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसाचेर कित्याक घेतला
प्रोफेसर जे आहा पळय घेवपाक थोडोसो बरो टायम लागता खातीर हो आमी पिवन घेवंक ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसचेर आमी एसिस्टंट प्रोफेसर आनी प्रोफेसर जे हायली क्वॉलिफायड लोक लागता आनी ते MMC मेडिकल कावन्सील ऑफ इंडिया हाचे नॉर्म्स आसता आमकां जर ते सीट मेंटेन करतलो आनी ताजे रेग्युलेशन मेंटेन उरतले आसत जाल्यार ते पोस्ट भरपाकूच जाय म्हणून ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसाचेर भरल्या
सीएम तुवें एक शाळा सरकारी प्राथमीक शाळा